Hey everyone, this is Lolo Ready from Abstract Music Lab, and today I'm back here in the sound design channel. Today I'm recreating a lead called Transform, and it sounds like this if you want to also check the MIDI. Now if you want to listen to it in context, with sidechain, from the beginning. Sidechain. And EQ. Pretty cool sound that you can find over here in the description below in the Melodic, Techno, and Trance pack that you can find at Production Music Live's website. So let's initialize DIVA, and we're gonna start by listening to this. And now we're gonna put the transpose to 0 and also the stack to 3. You can see how the sound gets a little bit richer. But we're also going to choose here a digital oscillator. And that's enough for us to start. We're going to start by selecting the wave number 1, which is going to be a multi-saw as it is. The octave is going to remain as it is. The detune is going to go a little bit up. And we're going to turn the multi also up. And you can see how this kind of detunes the sound a little bit, again, without it. With it. So this gives a detuning effect to it. We're not going to do anything to the cross. We're not going to do anything to the ring and to the mix, and this is going to remain as it is. And we're going to jump right into envelope 1 to modulate the sound a little bit. No sustain. Release on. And decay down. Mixer bite. We're gonna first put the cutoff to something like this. This will take a little bit of low end from the sound. The peak also a little bit different. This is essentially the resonance of this cutoff filter. And that's pretty much as it is. Now we're gonna go into a ladder filter again as it is. Cut off a bit down. And you can see how we barely listen to anything. 24 dB filter. The envelope 2 is going to go quite up. And you can see how this brings the cutoff a little bit up. But we need to shape envelope 2. Envelope 2, we're going to put a little bit of attack. The sustain is going to go all the way down. The release up. So we can see that we turn on the release over here and the decay a bit down as well. That's about it. Now, keyboard tracking also a bit up. And essentially what this does is the higher we press on our keyboard, the more we're going to activate this envelope 2. So essentially lower notes are going to have less cutoff in the end. Now, in addition to that, we're also going to go and activate the keyboard tracking in the filter. And what this does is the higher we press, the more cutoff we have again. Now, back over here into the sound, we're going to go and choose vibrato at 0, glide 0 as well. Nothing in this section pretty much. Envelope 1, we're going to go and turn it a bit down. This is going to turn the volume of the sound a little bit down. And we're also going to select over here stack index. And this is going to make the sound a bit wider. Listen how it goes to the side, right? That's pretty much as it is. Now, modifications as it is, trimmers as it is, and we're going to go into the effects section. We're going to start by choosing a delay, and later we're going to choose a plate. But let's first start with a delay. 100% dry. A lot of center volume. You can see a lot of center volume, but nothing in the side volume. We'll have to high pass this a lot. And also low pass this. Now the left timing is going to go a little bit up. As you can listen. Center a bit down. A lot more feedback. A bit more wow as well. Now plate reverb. All the way over the dry sound. The wet is going to go a bit down. Size a bit up. Pre-delay all the way up. Diffusion as it is. Dampening. We're going to put this a lot down, and essentially what this is going to do is going to make the reverb less high-endy. We're going to pick the dampening and put all the way down, almost all the way down, something like this. And you're going to start hearing to more high-end frequencies here. Now the decay a bit higher. And that's pretty much it. Now, if you want to listen to this in context, again, really nice sound that you can find at the Melodic, Techno, and Trance pack that you can find over here in the description below. This is Leo already from Abstract Music Lab signing off. Ciao.
Hi, this video is sponsored by us. If you like these tutorials and want to support the channel, please check out our website packed with online courses and professional sample packs. Also check our ready-to-use and club-tested Serum presets. You can browse by the genre and style you're looking for, or get the incredible deal with the full Serum preset bundle. Thank you for listening, and now let's get back to your tutorial.